Hey, so today we're going to actually look at trends, all right? And also we may look at support and resistance as well in this video, but specifically trends we're going to look at, all right? Because if you look at this trend here, we're actually on the GJ, which is the British pound sterling and the Japanese yen, and we're on the daily chart, all right? And so if you look at this chart here, you see that we're actually in a bullish market, and then so it's an uptrend, okay? So the market is moving upward, all right? And so let's go ahead and grab an arrow to support what we're saying here. And so with that, the market is most definitely moving upward. Oops. And so let's see here. There we go. All right, so it is moving upward there for us. And that's what we see there, all right? And so as the market is moving upward there, that means you're having higher highs and higher lows, right? So in a bullish market, you have higher highs and higher lows. In a bearish market, you have lower highs and lower lows, right? So if you look at this, you do have those higher highs. Here's a high, here's a high, here's a high, all right? So this high is higher than this high, and this high is higher than this high, right? Exactly, right? And so let's see here. And then looking at that, let's look at this trend. And then let's go up to the next peak. Here's the next peak here. Oh my goodness, something happened here. So you do see here where the trend actually changed, all right? And so that's one of the things you have to focus on when you're trading. Everything has to marry. All the information that you receive in trading, all the information has to marry together, okay? So looking at the trend, and that's one of the most important things. When you're looking at the trend here, you see that the market was moving in a bullish manner, and then there was a change in the market right here. All right, you're no longer receiving those higher highs. You actually received a higher low right here. All right, so let's go ahead and grab another, let's see here, arrow to support that. So right here, you actually received a lower low. Let's make that bad boy red. All right, let's turn it around. All right, so it moved downward right here. All right. And so, yeah, we did receive that higher high. It was moving bullishly. But right here, the trend changed. So what if you're in the market and then all of a sudden the trend changed, but you're still expecting for it to keep moving upward because that's what you were used to, but you hadn't really analyzed your charts. You have to make sure you take focus on what's going on in the market at that time. All right, and we are actually on the daily chart. So this is a daily chart, all right? So this is what's going on currently on the daily. So it started moving downwardly. All right, and so looking at the market, and then when you're trading, you have areas of retracement because you are having that lower, okay, so it's moving lower lows, then to lower high, so this would be here, then lower lows, then you have a lower high, then lower lows, then lower high, right? So you actually take it in consideration what's going on in the market when you're about to trade. So right here, we would say, hey, if that's moving up right now, more than likely that's going to be a lower high, all right? So that's what you're looking at, right? And so you want to make sure when you're trading, that is the mindset that you're actually in. You want to make sure that you take in consideration, where is the market right now? Am I dealing with a bullish trend? Am I dealing with a bearish trend? And within that trend, what's going on? Is it retracing right now? Is it going towards that lower low? Is it going towards that lower high? Is it going towards that higher high? Is it going towards that higher low? Where is the market going right now? What type of trend am I in, number one? So those are the questions you want to ask. You want to ask, hey, what type of trend am I in? Then you want to ask, where is the trend right now? Is it retracing? If I'm in a bullish trend, all right, am I about to receive a higher high or am I about to receive a higher low? if I am in a bearish trend, which is lower lows and lower highs, am I about to receive a lower high, or am I about to receive a lower low? Where am I right now in the market? All right. So start at that point, and then the next point would be your support and your resistance. All right. And so in this situation, in drawing your immediate support and resistance, let's see here. We'll go ahead and draw like a horizontal line. My immediate area of support, of course, would be here. All right. And then, of course, this is my immediate area for my resistance. And so with those, make sure I lock these so they don't move. All right, so you're projecting price to go upward because right now we are experiencing the lower lows and lower highs. All right, so you know on the daily for today that this candle is moving upward. It's moving in a bullish manner at this moment, just in this, because it's retracing, just in this area right here. All right, and so in that area that we're looking at, I want to make sure that we acknowledge that. All right. So, let's see here. And so that's for that area right there. All right. And so we're acknowledging that. All right. All right. So that's for this candle right here because we are on a daily. This is the daily time frame. All right. So that's where we are right now. Today's market, you see, and even while we're speaking, you see that it is increasing. All right. So it is moving bullishly at this point. So it's actually moving up towards this area here. All right. And so it moving towards that area. Let's take one of these here. We know that the market is moving upward. All right. So it should move towards this white line here. All right. So it's moving upward. All right. And so that is what this video is about on today. It just gives you very foundational things that you can think about, absorb, and actually utilize in your trading journey. All right, so we want to build a strong foundation here, and that is what we will do. Okay, awesome. So see you later.